Hi everyone, my name is Asika Nuaz, and today I'll be presenting my research on the impact of automation on labor markets. As we all know, automation rapidly transforms or is transforming the way we work, affecting everything from manufacturing to healthcare. In this presentation, I'll explore both the challenges and the opportunities that come with this technological shift. I'll start by defining what automation is and why it's important to understand its impact on the labor market. Then we'll look at how automation is displacing jobs, the new opportunities it's creating, and the policy interventions needed to support workers through these changes. Finally, I'll summarize the key points and discuss what we can do to prepare for the future of work. Automation refers to the use of advanced technology to perform tasks that were traditionally done by humans. This can range from simple tasks like data entry to more complex functions like autonomous driving or AI-driven diagnostics. It's important to understand that automation is not just replacing human workers, but is transforming entire processes, making them more efficient, and in some cases, creating new kinds of jobs. Key industries affected automation is impacting several key industries. In manufacturing, robots are now handling many repetitive tasks and on assembly lines. In retail, we're seeing the rise of self-checkout systems and automated inventory management. In healthcare, healthcare is being revolutionized by AI diagnostics and robotic surgery, while the transportation sector is seeing the emergence of autonomous vehicles and drones. This topic is particularly relevant today as automation continues to reshape the job market. It's essential to explore both the challenges such as job displacement and wage inequality and the opportunities, including the creation of new job categories and increased productivity. Next, we have my research question and thesis statement. The central focus of my research is understanding how automation is transforming labor markets and exploring the strategies that can be implemented to mitigate its negative effects on workers. This question is critical because as automation continues to advance, it not only changes how work is done, but also raises significant concerns about job security and economic inequality. My thesis argues that while automation is indeed displacing many traditional jobs, it is also creating new opportunities, particularly in emerging industries. However, to ensure that this transition is equitable and sustainable, we need to implement a combination of policy interventions, education initiatives, and worker retraining programs. By focusing on these strategies, we can help workers adapt to the changes brought about by automation and ensure that the benefits of technological progress are shaped broadly across society. Automation refers to the application of technology to perform tasks with minimal human intervention. This technology can range from simple mechanical processes to sophisticated systems that use artificial intelligence, robotics, and machine learning. The goal of automation is to improve efficiency, accuracy, and productivity by reducing the need for manual labor. Key technologies driving modern automation include artificial intelligence, which allows machines to learn and make decisions, robotics, which involves machines performing physical tasks and machine learning, a subset of AI that enables systems to improve their performance over time through data analysis. These technologies have advanced rapidly, leading to significant changes in various industries. The concept of automation isn't new. It began with the Industrial Revolution when machinery started to replace manual labor in manufacturing. However, the pace and scope of automation have accelerated dramatically in recent years. In the late 20th and early 21st centuries, we've seen a massive increase in the adoption of automation technologies driven by advancements of computing power, artificial intelligence, and robotics. Automation is particularly effective at taking over routine and repetitive tasks, which has led to significant job displacement in various industries. For example, in manufacturing, assembly line jobs that once employed thousands of workers are now being done by robots. This trend is not limited to manufacturing. Retail jobs such as cashiers are also being replaced by self-checkout systems, and even some administrative roles are being automated through software. The impact of automation is most keenly felt by low-skilled and middle-skilled workers. These workers often hold positions that involve tasks easily automated, making them more vulnerable to job loss. Data from recent studies show a significant decline in employment in sectors like manufacturing and retail. For instance, in the last decade, automation has been responsible for a large percentage of job losses in these industries. As automation replaces jobs, the economic inequality between high-skilled and low-skilled workers continues to grow. High-skilled workers, who are often the ones developing and managing automated systems, see their wages increase, while low-skilled workers face job loss or wage stagnation. This widening wage gap contributes to broader economic disparities, making it harder for those in low-income brackets to achieve upward mobility. While automation displaces some jobs, it also creates new opportunities, particularly in emerging fields like artificial intelligence, robotics, and data analytics. These areas are growing rapidly and require a workforce that is equipped with the right skills to manage and develop these technologies. For example, the rise of AI has led to a demand for data scientists and machine learning engineers, roles that didn't exist a decade ago. To take advantage of these opportunities, workers need to develop a range of technical skills such as programming, data analysis, and AI development. However, soft skills like problem solving, adaptability, and a commitment to continuous learning are equally important. As technology evolves, the ability to learn new skills quickly and adapt to changing jobs requirements becomes essential. To ensure that workers can transition into these new roles, education and retraining programs are crucial. These programs help workers upskill or reskill, enabling them to move from declining industries into growing ones. Lifelong learning is no longer just a concept, but a necessity in the modern workforce. Employers, educational institutions, and governments all have a role to play in supporting this transition through accessible training opportunities and educational initiatives. The development of self-driving cars by companies like Tesla, Google, Waymo, and Uber is an interesting automation event that I thought was a big deal. The interesting point was that the impact on transportation jobs such as truck drivers and delivery services and taxi drivers who may be displaced by autonomous vehicles. However, this technology also creates opportunities in AI development, vehicle maintenance, and new regulatory frameworks. Another one for me was Amazon's automated warehouses, where Amazon's using robots in their fulfillment centers to store, pack, and ship products. It's interesting how these robots have revolutionized warehouse operations, leading to faster shipping times, but also raising concerns about job losses in the warehousing and logistics industries. The impact of AI in healthcare event, the implementation of the AI-driven diagnostic tools such as IBM Watson that can diagnose diseases more accurately and faster than human doctors. And the interesting point of that was while AI tools enhance the capabilities of healthcare providers, there are ethical concerns and debates about the potential reduction in demand for certain medical jobs and the quality of patient care. As automation continues to reshape labor markets, it's essential to implement policy measures that support workers displaced by these changes. Key among these are unemployment benefits, which provide temporary financial support, and retraining programs, which equip workers with new skills to transition into emerging industries. These programs are crucial in mitigating the immediate impact of job loss and ensuring that workers can move into new, stable employment. The effectiveness of these policy measures can vary significantly depending on how they're implemented. For example, Denmark's flexicurity model, which combines flexible labor markets with strong social safety nets, has been successful in helping workers transition between jobs without long periods of unemployment. Similarly, Germany's extensive retraining programs have enabled many workers to shift from declining industries into growing sectors like renewable energy and technology. Beyond specific programs, it's also important to maintain comprehensive social safety nets that protect all workers, not just by those displaced by automation. This includes healthcare, affordable housing, and access to education. By ensuring that these basic needs are met, we can reduce the long-term economic and social impacts of job displacement and help create a more equitable society where the benefits of automation are shared broadly. And to bring in the conclusion to a close, automation is a powerful force transforming labor markets while it displaces traditional jobs. But however, to navigate these changes successfully, it's crucial to focus on education, retraining, and robust policy interventions that support workers and ensure that the benefits of automation are widely shared. Now, there's challenges and opportunities presented by automation cannot be addressed by any single entity alone. Governments, businesses, and educational institutions must collaborate to create a future where technology enhances rather than hinders human potential. This collaboration is essential for developing policies that protect workers, creating training programs that prepare them for new roles, and fostering an environment where innovation thrives. As we move forward, it's important for each of us to embrace lifelong learning and adaptability, where the future of work is dynamic, and by staying informed and proactive, we can ensure that automation works for all of us, not just a select few. Let's work together to create a more equitable and sustainable future where technology and human ingenuity go hand in hand. Thank you.